In this video, we are going to show you how to use this jump starter kit with air compressor provided by AutoOne for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here's your unit, your power button, battery indicator light, flashlight button. Flashlight is on top, 600 lumens. Press the button once to turn on. Flashlight mode. Press your button again. SOS mode. Press the button one more time. And your strobe function. Your mode button, car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and your ball mode. PSI, hold your mode button to change setting. BAR, kPa, and kilograms per centimeter. Your next two buttons are your pressure set, plus and minus. On one side, you have your air hose interface. On the other side, you have your jumper cable connection port and your USB port. On top, you have USB-C, and on the bottom, you have USB-A. USB output is 2.4 amps. Charging time for the unit is about 4.5 hours. 8,000 amp jump starter with a max 150 psi air inflator. Includes your jumper cables, air hose, USB cable, a few different air nozzles, your storage case, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we have a larger tire SUV. It's a 20-inch wheel. Gives you a live reading of 29.5 psi. Now we're going to time how long it takes to get to 36 psi from 29.5. About 3 minutes and 4 seconds. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.